Hello everyone. My name is Raiwat Bapat,
My name is Ashutosh Kumar.
and now we'll demonstrate a simple follows. You can see there are all print statements corresponding to adding the diagonals and handling its split vertex, merge vertex, regular vertex, all that.
And so in the plots part, we have got initially the polygon, then the monotone partition polygon, then the triangulation and dual graph. And this is also dual graph. And then finally we have got the vertices tree coloring.
Yeah.
And also mentioned the vertex guard, which are colored in interest. So we can see that four guards are there. Yes.
So for the output, the entire DCL can be displayed here. Each vertex coordinates and the incident edges from it. We have maintained the list for that. And these are all the half edges corresponding origin, next edge, previous edge, incident phase. And each triangle, after triangulation, each triangle corresponds to a face from 1 to k, where there are let's say there are k faces, and the zero face corresponds to the unbounded face, right? So now, as far as the core is concerned, so I'll give you a gist of the monotone partitioning, what we are doing here. So there in the monotone partitional class, there are new diagonals that are to be added. It's a DCL, the statistic required to maintain the BST and the vertex type. So different vertex type like start and split, margin, regular. So this is the function that classifies these vertices, and this is the sweep line algorithm. So classify initially classify all these vertices, and according to the type of these vertices, we call their corresponding methods. And the logic behind it, handle start vertex, handle each type of vertex methods are written in the JOR. We have just implemented the same and added corresponding print statements. And this plot DCL function is required for the animation purposes. We'll get to it later. So this is all. So this is the add diagonal function. This adds the diagonal to it. So yeah, this is monotone partition adds to monotone triangulation.
So in the monotone triangulation class, we also have the similar add diagonal function, and we store the monotone triangulated monotones in terms of faces. That is already discussed. So we have used the algorithms as stated in the book, like we use the stack, and initially it was sorting the vertices according to the ordinates, and then we push top two vertices in the stack and check the next vertices. If it's like in the same chain, we check the second top. If it is what is possible to make diagonal, then we make. Else we add that vertices. And if else we when we get a vertices that is not in the same field. So if we put the diagonal edges, then we add that diagonal and finally create the top such that the remaining polygon is there. So in this way, the triangulation is done, and then we do the dual graph and trickling thing.
So we'll now get to the MP4 file animation part.
So here's the animation of the monotone partitioning. So we can see that the edges highlighted in the left edges. So and that highlighting is showing the what we have. If we have occurred any type of vertices, then we arrange to the previous one if it is merged, and are similar for the split. And in this way, the partitioning is done. And then for triangulation, we check for the vertices and add the diagonal in as according to the stack, and we can see that the triangulation part is done.
Yeah. So now we'll move on to the next example. Yes.
Next example, we are taking is the vertices, so 34 vertices polygon. And so we can see the output here. So this is the polygon as we can see, and the print statements for adding diagonals and handling other vertices. And so we can see that each statement how the merge vertices and split vertices will handle, and we have got the plot for the monotone partition, we can see the plot that every polygon we get here is monotone partition. Now we have got the plots for triangulation. So we can see that each monotone partition polygon is triangulated without any error. So coming to next, we get the dual graph by the logic, and similarly the same plot is stated with the polygon, and we then use DFS to get the three coloring done, and we can see that the minimum number is 10 vertex guards are required, which are colored in red. So different positions can be seen in this figure of the red guards.
So we'll just show you the DCL list of this also. So there are total 33 faces, 32 of them being the triangles and one being the unbounded face. And this is the corresponding edge pointed to it so that we can iterate the entire face. There are 130 half edges entirely after adding all the diagonals. And there are about 34 vertices that we already know. So these are all the incident edges from it. So yeah, so now coming back again to the MP4 file for complete triangulation. So what do you want?
So yeah, we can see here the left edges, and as we follow the sweep line, and the helper is getting updated. So we can see that red marks is showing the helper, and similarly till now no such diagonals are existed for which we can create the monotone polygon. So we can see now the first one will be created here. We can see in the left, and then the second one will be created here, and now the third one will be created. And similarly, the helpers are getting adjusted for the vertices, and the next one is getting created. And we can see that one more will be created here. And every time the highlighted vertex and the and edge at the helper is getting updated every time. And the monotone partitioning for this part is completed here. So next, the triangulation, it start with one of the monotone faces and iterating upon top to bottom, adding into stack and creating the diagonals. It is done. And for the third monotone partition polygon, now the fourth, we can see that the diagonals are created. And for the second last one, added into the stack, then checking upon the same or opposite chains. And in this way, it is completed.
So this is here is done. Thank you.
Thank you.